Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Good morning, dear student. In this session, we are going to start a sum from the exercise, sum number 8, chapter 5, admission of partner, standard 12, accountancy. Okay. In sum number 8, okay, it is given that Abba and Bena are partners in firm, sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 2:1. Okay. Their balance sheet as on 31/3/2017 was as under. It means old ratio of Abba and Bina is 2:1. 2:1, it means 2/3 and 1/3. Okay. Then in the adjustment, it is given that they admitted Russell as a new partner from 1/4/2017 on the following conditions. Okay. In the adjustment number 6, new profit sharing ratio of all three partners is to be kept 2:1:2. Okay. It means new profit and loss sharing ratio of partner is 2:1:2. It means 2/5, 1/5 and 2/5. Okay. New partner admitted Russell, old ratio dash. New partner Russell ratio is 2/5. Okay. Whenever in the sum old ratio of old partners and new ratio of old partners are given, at that time we have to find out sacrifice ratio. Okay. Sacrifice ratio. Fine. Sacrifice ratio equals to old share minus new share. Okay. Old share minus new share. Now first, sacrifice of Abba. Sacrifice of Abba. Old share 2/3, new share 2/5. 2/3, new share 2/5. Unequal denominators, LCM 15. Okay. For first, 5 2s are 10, 3 2s are 6. It means 4/15. Okay. For first partner, sacrifice of Abba is 4/15. Now sacrifice of Bina equals to old share 1/3 minus new share 1/5. Okay. LCM 15. I 1 ja 5, 3 1 ja 3, 2/15. Okay. It means 4/15, 2/15. Okay. It means sacrifice ratio 4:2. 4:2, it means 2:1. Sacrificing ratio of Aba and Bina equals to 2:1. Okay, both the number are divided by 2. Okay, 2 2 ja 4 and 2 1 ja 2. Fine. Now in first adjustment, Rushil will bring rupees 1 lakh as his capital and rupees 24,000 as goodwill in cash. Okay, now Rushil, fine. Whenever new partner is admitted in the partnership firm, that partners brings capital. Okay, capital and goodwill. Premium for goodwill. Okay, new partner Rushil has brought rupees 1 lakh in cash as a capital. In cash. Okay, then new partner has bring premium for goodwill amount in cash. It means 24,000 rupees in cash. Okay, goodwill brought by the new partner in cash is known as premium for goodwill. Capital brought by new partner in cash, capital account. Okay, now whenever new partners brings goodwill in cash, that amount will transfer to first cash account debited to premium for goodwill account. Okay, and this amount, it means 24,000 amount for premium for goodwill is distributed between the old partners as per their sacrifice ratio. It means 2:1. Okay, now 24,000 will distributed among between the partners as per their sacrifice ratio. For first partner, amount of rupees 16,000. For second partner, amount is of rupees 8,000. Okay, whenever new partner brings capital in cash, fine, journal entry will be cash and bank account debited to Rushil's capital account. Okay, goodwill brought by new partner in cash, cash and bank account debited to premium for goodwill account, and next entry will be premium for goodwill account debited to Aba's capital account 16,000 to Bina's capital account 8,000. Okay, this amount of goodwill is for Aba and this amount of goodwill is for Bina. Okay, okay, now as per working note 1, sacrifice ratio is 2:1, and working note as per working note 2. Okay, now we are going to do the entry first in cash account. Cash account debit side, first to balance BD. Okay, afterward we will write the amount from the balance sheet, and after that we have to write down to Rushil's capital account. Okay, amount of rupees 1 lakh. Fine. Okay, this amount will be transferred to partner's capital account. First we have to write down balance BD. Okay, after that we will write down by cash account and amount of rupees 1 lakh in Rushil's account. Okay, capital of rupees 1 lakh. Then next entry as per working note 2, cash account debit side, we will write down to premium for goodwill account an amount of rupees 24,000. Okay, this amount will be transferred to partner's capital account credit side, and we will write down by premium for goodwill account. Okay, for first partner means Abha account 16,000, second Dina account 8,000 rupees. Okay, now from the textbook, adjustment number second, value of land and building is to be increased by rupees 17,000. It means value of assets increases. Revaluation account credit side by land and building account, by land and building account, amount of rupees 17,000. Okay, second effect, balance sheet asset side, we will write down land and building account, fine, amount of rupees 72,000 inner column plus increase of rupees 17,000, total 89,000 rupees. Okay, now next adjustment, value of machinery is to be decreased up to 32,000. In the balance sheet, value of machinery is given an amount of rupees 40,000. Okay, machinery of rupees 40,000. In the adjustment, it is given that value of machinery is to be decreased up to 32,000. It means the value of machine decreases by rupees 8,000. Revaluation account debit side to a machinery account, an amount of rupees 8,000. Okay, second effect, balance sheet asset side, machinery of rupees 40,000 minus decrease 8,000, 32,000 outer column. Okay, then after that, the next adjustment is provision for bad debt is to be kept at 10% on debtors. Okay, in the balance sheet, debtors inner column, an amount of rupees 24,000 is given. On that amount, we have to calculate provision for bad debt reserve at 10%. Okay, and here we have to write down two new BDR. Okay, on that 24,000, 10%, 2,400 rupees. Okay, minus old BDR which is given in the balance sheet, bad debt reserve of rupees 2,000. Okay, 400 outer column. Second effect, balance sheet asset side, are debtors of rupees 24,000 minus new BDR. Okay, of rupees 2,400, outer column, an amount of rupees 21,600. Okay, now next adjustment is a provision for outstanding electricity bill is to be made at rupees 1,100. Okay, revaluation account debit side to outstanding electricity bill account 1,100 rupees. Okay, second effect, balance sheet liability side, outstanding electricity bill an amount of rupees 1,100. Okay, after completing the all adjustment, now we are going to solve the balance sheet. In balance sheet, first goodwill is given an amount of rupees 18,000. It means goodwill appeared. Okay, whenever goodwill appeared in the balance sheet, that amount of goodwill always written on debit side of partners capital account. Okay, partners capital account debit side to goodwill account, Okay, 18,000 in old partners as per their old ratio. In the sum, old ratio is given 2:1. Okay, it means 12,000 rupees and 6,000 rupees. Okay, goodwill appeared. Fine. Now after that, land and building. Okay, 72,000 already completed by us. Machinery entries done by us. Now next one is stock. Okay, stock, an amount of rupees 36,000. Stock, after stock, debtors. Okay, already written by us in the balance sheet asset side. After debtors, investment of rupees 8,000. Investment 8,000 rupees. Then cash and bank account 2,000. Balance BD, cash and bank account 2, balance BD, an amount of rupees 2,000. Okay. Then asset side, advertisement, campaign expenditure of rupees 6,000 is given. This amount will always distributed old partners as per their old ratio. Advertisement, campaign expenditure amount is always distributed between old partners as per their old ratio. Okay, partners capital account debit side we have to write down to advertisement, campaign account. Okay, total amount is of rupees 6,000 as per the old ratio 2:1, 4,000 rupees and 2,000 rupees. Okay. Now balance sheet liability side. First capital is given. Capital Aabas 80,000 rupees. Then Venus 60,000 rupees. Okay. After that general reserve is given. General reserve of rupees 18,000. An amount of rupees general reserve always distributed between old partners as per their old profit sharing ratio. Okay. By general reserve, amount will recorded partners capital account credit side. Okay. By general reserve, total amount is of rupees 18,000. It means 12,000 for first partner and 6,000 for second partner. Okay. After general reserve, workman compensation reserve is given. Workman compensation reserve is always distributed among the old partners as per their old profit sharing ratio. Okay, it means partners capital account credit side by workman compensation reserves account. Okay, total amount is of rupees 4,500 as per their old profit sharing ratio. Amount will for Abbas an amount of rupees 3,000 and for Veena an amount of rupees 1,500. Okay. After workman compensation reserve, investment fluctuation fund reserve of rupees 1,500 is given. Investment fluctuation reserve is also distributed among old partners as per their old ratio. Okay, by investment fluctuation reserves account. Okay, amount, total amount is of rupees 1,500 as per old ratio 2:1. Abbas 1,000 and for Venus 500 rupees. Okay. After that, creditors of rupees 28,000 given. Balance sheet liability side we have to write down creditors an amount of rupees 28,000. After an amount of rupees 28,000 for creditors. Now next is bills payable of rupees 12,000. Balance sheet liability side we have to write down bills payable account of rupees 12,000. Okay. Now we are going to do the total of revaluation account and find out the profit or loss of revaluation account. Okay. 17,000 is credit side total is more than the debit side total. Same amount will be written on the debit side, and the difference amount is of rupees 7,500. This difference amount of rupees 7,500, okay, is known as revaluation account profit. Okay, here we have to write down two partners capital account, and in bracket we have to write down profit. Okay, now this profit will distributed among the old partners as per their old profit sharing ratio. Old partner is Abha and Bina. Okay, as per their old profit sharing ratio 2:1. Okay, we will distribute this profit 5,000 rupees and 2,500 rupees. Okay, now this amount will be transferred from revaluation account to partners capital account and credit side, and we have to write down by revaluation account, and in bracket we have to write down profit. Okay, for Abha's 5,000 rupees and in Bina's 2,500 rupees. Okay, now we are going to find out the balance of partners capital account. Okay, okay. Okay, for first partner Abbas, total amount is of rupees 1,17,000. Now for second partner Bina, okay, now for second partner total amount is of rupees 78,500. Third partner Rushil's capital is 1 lakh. Okay, now credit side total we are going to write down on the debit side. For first 1,17,000. Okay, second partner 78,500. Third partner 1 lakh rupees. Okay, now this amount will be deducted from this 1,17,000. Okay, and we are going to get a difference amount of rupees 1,01,000 to balance CD. Okay, okay. After second partner's Bina 78,500, deducting amount of rupees 8,000, we will get balance of rupees 70,500. Okay, third partners 1 lakh. This different amount is known as closing balance of partner capital account to balance CD. This amount will be transferred to partners. This amount of partners capital account will be transferred to balance sheet liability side, and we have to write down capital account. Okay, capital account for first partner Abha, capital of rupees 1,01,000. For second partner Bina, capital of rupees 70,500. For third partner Rushil, capital is of rupees 1 lakh. Okay. Now, total capital of these three partners 2,71,500 rupees. Right? Now we are going to close cash and bank account. Total amount is of rupees 1,26,000 cash and bank account. Okay. Same amount we are going to write down on the credit side. 1,26,000. 1,26,000 rupees. And here we have to write down by balance CD. Okay. This amount of rupees 1,26,000 closing cash balance will transfer to balance sheet asset side. Okay. Cash and bank account. Amount of rupees 1,26,000. Okay. Now we are going to find out the total of balance sheet. First, liability side 2,71,000, then plus 28,000, then 12,000, and then 11,000. Total amount is of rupees 3,12,600. Okay. Now balance sheet asset side. First, land and building of rupees 89,000 plus machinery of rupees 32,000, then debtors of rupees 21,600, then stock of rupees 36,000, investment of 1,000, and cash and bank account balance of rupees 1,26,000. Total of asset side is of rupees 3,12,600 rupees. Okay. Time. In this session we have completed sum number 8 from the exercise. Okay. In next session we are going to continue our chapter. Goodbye. Take care all of you.